Hi, YouTube. Um, so I'm here today to ask for help. I have two dogs, Doc and Dart, and Dart has developed a locked jaw, and he can't eat. He's losing weight. I don't know how much longer he's going to last. I really can't afford a vet, and so I've started a GoFundMe to see if I can get him into a vet. Everything I've looked up on the internet kind of points to it's going to take a surgical intervention to fix it. There is one possibility that it's a muscular problem in his jaw that can be treated with antibiotics, but I don't know which one it's going to be. So in the description below is a link to the GoFundMe. If you can afford to give a little bit to help save my dog, I'd really appreciate it. I just lost one of my cats here recently, like 3 weeks ago. I had her for 14 years. I've had Dart for 7, and I really am not in a headspace to lose a dog right now. So if you can afford to give, please do. Thanks.